What do you mean by phases of teaching? Describe in detail the phases of teaching. Phases of teaching. Teaching is a complex and difficult task. We need systematic planning to perform this task. Teaching can be done in various steps. The various steps preparing or constituting the process are called the phases of teaching. Each phases has some operations of teaching which create the situation for learning. Teaching process can be divided into 3 phases, stages. Pre-active phase of teaching. Planning stage, interactive phase of teaching. Implementation stage, post-active phase of teaching. Evaluation stage. Pre-active phase of teaching. This stage refers to the planning of a lesson. This phase includes all those activities which a teacher performs before classroom teaching or before entering the classroom. It includes I. Strategies and methodologies to be adopted. E. Using of teaching aids. Planning is done in order to make decisions with regard to the following aspects. A. Selection of content to be taught. B. Organization of the content. C. Selection of appropriate teaching material. D. Decision regarding the preparation and usage of evaluation tools. Suggested activities in pre-active phase. I. Determining goals, objectives. E. Selection of the content to be taught. E. Sequencing the elements of content for presentation. IV. Selecting instructional methodology. V. How and when the teaching strategies use. Interactive phase of teaching. This is the second phase. It refers to the execution of the plan made during pre-active phase. In interactive phase of teaching, all the activities performed by a teacher when he enters the classroom are combined together. These activities are concerned with the presentation of the content in the class. In this process, the teacher provides the learners verbal stimulation. This stimulation can be of various kinds, such as asking questions, listening students' response, and providing guidance, making explanations. Activities suggested in interactive phase. A. Setting up the class. B. Knowing the learner. C. Start teaching. Post-active phase of teaching. It is the evaluation phase of teaching. It arises when the teacher has left the class and tries to have a look back into what happened in the class. This phase is concerned with the following activities. I. Evaluation activities. These activities are performed in various ways. E.g., tests or quizzes, or by observing students' reaction of questions, etc. E. Summing up teaching task. To sum up, the teacher asks the questions from the learners, verbally or in written form. The behavior of the students are also measured in order to evaluate their achievements. Suggested activities in post-active phase. A. Defining exact dimensions of changes resulted from teaching. B. Selection of testing devices, techniques. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos.